Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject TVS, Chapter 10. Chapter name Food Production. Topic Shortage of Food. Today we are going to talk about the shortage of food. Sometimes the conditions comes in our country when there is a shortage of food, lack of food. The food items are not much amount to feed the people properly. Many of the people died because of this lackness of food. Many reasons are behind it. But in that conditions, the people suffer in a very big problem, especially because of the lackness of the food. Shortage of food is due to several reasons. Few reasons are behind it. Because of it, the shortage of food comes in a country. Weather condition. The first reason is weather conditions. When there is a drought or flood, the crop is run and there is a famine. Drought and flood. These are two main reasons because of which the crop is ruined. Crop is totally destroyed. And the crop is destroyed, it is ruined. Because of this, the lackness of the food comes. And the condition in which the lackness of the food comes, that is the famine. In such a situation, the government has to buy grains from other countries. Since the disaster comes because of this, the proper production doesn't take place. In that condition, the lackness of the food comes. And because of this, the government has to buy the grains from the other countries. Since in that country, the proper amount of food is not available for the people. So, to solve this problem, the government has to buy the food item from the other countries. Hoarding and black marketing. It is the second reason, which is normally taken place in everywhere in a small way or in a big way. Sometimes the crop yield is sufficient, but the grain wholesalers hold it in their godowns and do not sell it. Normally the wholesalers do it to get the more and more benefit. Crop yielding is sufficient, means the food production was enough to feed the people. But the wholesalers, for their self profit, they become selfish and they store the grains in their godowns. Godowns is a big place, a big storeroom where they can store the food item and keep it safe for the future use. When they store the items in their godowns and in the market, the lackness of the food comes. In that time, they take out the food items from the godowns and sell it in a very high prices to get the more and more benefit. Sometimes the grain which is stored in huge silos gets spoiled. Sometimes the condition comes when the wholesalers store the food item in the silos, they store the grains in the godowns, but due to some condition it is spoiled. Condition may be moisture, because of this the bacteria and germs developed and the food get destroyed. Sometimes the rats like animals attack on the grains and they spoil the food materials. Reasons many can be, but the result is food is spoiled. Because of this, the shortage of the food comes in the market, in the ground. This makes the grain unfit for human consumption, leading to scarcity despite a good harvest. Since the grains are totally destroyed, crops are destroyed, so the food item is not properly present in the market. Because of this, the scarcity of food comes. Since the grains is spoiled, so it is not fit for human consumption. People cannot eat it because it is damaged. So in that condition, the scarcity of food comes in the ground, in the market, and people face too much problem of the food. The public distribution system. The government has set up a public distribution system to make food available to everyone. The public distribution system, it is a system which is made by the government, in which they fix a particular place as a shop, in which the food item, especially the grains, are available for the common people. They can purchase that food item from that shops. Under this scheme, food like grains is given to people through fair price shops. In this scheme, a particular shop is fixed where the government employees or the people set by government are seated, and they sell the grains to the people in the fair price. The price which is less than the market in that shops. The people get it in the low amount investment. Poor families are issued ration cards by the government. Government issue the ration card. This ration card is a type of booklet in which the details are filled on which date, how much amount, and which grains are distributed to the person, and which people comes to take these food items. These cards allow them to buy essential food items at affordable prices from these fair price shops. From these shops, the people can purchase the essential food items that are necessary for their life, like wheat, rice, sugar, sometimes grams also. So these are the things which the people can purchase from these shops. Especially this scheme was launched for the poor people. But every common people which has the ration card, they can purchase these food items from these shops. In the normal life, in the normal language, all of you know these people, kotedar. Kotedar are the person which handle these type of shops and make this arrangement successful made by the government. So these were the points for today. Now with this topic, this chapter is finished. In the next class, we will start the new chapter. Thank you.